Components of a typical refrigerant cycle includes the evaporator, which absorbs heat from the passenger compartment. The compressor raises the pressure of refrigerant vapor. Heat is released to the ambient air at the condenser. The modulator-receiver is a compact filtering and storage unit built directly onto the condenser. The thermostatic expansion valve modulates the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator core. When the compressor is energized, hot, high-pressure refrigerant vapor is sent to the condenser. As a latent heat exchange occurs in the condenser, high-temperature, high-pressure vapor condenses into high-temperature, high-pressure liquid. As the refrigerant passes through the orifice opening in the thermostatic expansion valve, high-temperature, high-pressure liquid becomes low-temperature, low-pressure liquid. In the evaporator, low-temperature, low-pressure liquid refrigerant absorbs passenger compartment heat. Low-temperature, low-pressure vapor exits the evaporator. The compressor raises the pressure of the refrigerant vapor and the refrigeration cycle repeats.